Hello everyone, this is Ethan and you are watching Hampaslupa Academy. Today we will be having an unboxing for a product that I purchased in noon.ae. So it is kitchen and this is the kitchen set and it is 15 pieces granite and marble coated aluminum cookware. So ito siya. Ito yung product na binili natin sa noon.ae. Bakit ko to binili? Because I am planning to have survival food na i-feature natin doon sa channel natin. As an OFW, ano ba ang mga pagkain na pwede pang i-recycle or pwede pang gamitin or kung ano lang ang resources na available, yun ang i-prepare natin at kung paano makasurvive sa mga pagkain na ganun. So for now, i-unbox natin ang product na ito. So first warning sa mga batang o sa mga kids na nanonood dyan, bago gumamit ng matatalim na bagay, parental guidance is needed. Okay, so let's start. So itong binili natin from noon.ae, Granite daw siya. So mamaya titignan natin kung ang granite na non-stick ay effective ba o hindi. The total cost of this item is 225 dirhams and free shipping. So here it is. So 15 pieces. So nakikita natin, so medyo okay yung packaging niya. Everything is secured. And first thing, granite casserole. So medyo maganda at thick siya. So it's nice at saka ang sa likod niya ay maganda talaga. Original product ng Noon but made in China. Okay? So everything now is made in China. Isa-isahin natin. Actually mabigat talaga siya, guys. Kung nakikita nyo, very heavy siya. And tignan lang natin para sa mga hindi naman professional na cook. Tignan natin kung paano nyo natutulungan yung mga kagaya natin hindi professional. Ay supposed to have 15 pieces of this product. So, ito yung pinakaunang part. Ang sabi dito, ang highlight niya, superior non-stick coating that prevents food from sticking to the base. This is the first product. Then, next is the lid. Number 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So usually, ang pan na ito ay ginagamit for grilling. So ito yung isa sa mga pinunterya ko noon kasi dito nga sa Dubai, we usually do grilling without charcoal. So just grill using the electric stove. So helpful ito sa amin, especially sa mga nakatira sa flat. Next is this. So mas maliit na casserole. And lid niya or takip. Next is another lid and another casserole. And lastly, so I have here frying pan. Meron siya. So I don't know kung anong gamit nito. Is this how do you call this one? Just comment down below. I actually don't know the name of this item. But this is a rubber. Siguro ginagamit for like talagyan ng maybe they're using this for, I'm not sure. So if you know this one, just drop a comment on the comment section. So, wala na. Oh! So, Ito na lahat guys. Ulitin natin. We have here ito. At saka ang lid niya. This one. And then ito, syempre. This one. Wala, no lid available for this one, I think. Yeah. So, ganito lang siya. And this one with this lid. And so 4 pieces of this. So 15 pieces. So let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, complete. Later, we will check kung gaano ka-effective ang pagka-non-stick ng product natin. So, we will try to fry an egg without oil and we'll see if totoo nga ba ang mga nakalagay sa ads niya. So, see you in the kitchen soon. So, I think all set for my new segment of the summary. This is the 24 cm na casserole at 24 cm din ito. So, ang lid nila is uniform. So, either way, pwede mo gamitin ang lid na ito dito sa casserole na ito and dito. So, same size sila. Secondly, this is a 26 cm fry pan at 26 cm na casserole. So, they have like a uniform lid also. So, itong lid nila, pwede dito at pwede din doon sa casserole. And this casserole is 28 cm. So, medyo malaki-laki for boiling and all. So, with lids. Nice for Christmas and for events and occasion. At mayroong 4 na sandok for spaghetti and for pasta and for frying. So all in one. And lastly is grilling pan candle. So, the thickness for this item is 0.4 millimeter. So, I'm pertaining to the thickness. The thickness of the glass is 3.4 millimeter. So, makapal nga siya. So, all in all, ang weight ng product natin is 6.9 kg. Ang bottom is 10 millimeter aluminum plus 1.5 mm iron and SS430 plate. Handle is made of, this is a wooden handle, which is also good to prevent the heat, direct heat from tutuan. So ito yung advantage niya compared to all metal. So hindi masyado nag-absorb ng heat ang wooden handle. So if you enjoy guys, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Hi guys, shout out to all my friends, Mukesh and Alam. Thank you for helping me para sa video na ito. Hello guys, shout out sa lahat ng mga friends ko dyan. Shout out sa mga langga kong mga pamangkin. Super Maika, Sadam, and Mika. Shout out to Gwen Tumambak. Hello. and to Pogi Problem, and to my best friend JC Aurel. Shout out to you. Thank you.